Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get pet and Kingshot. Here's how to get pets and Kingshot. First, pet features unlock once your town center reaches level 18 and your server has been active for several days, usually around day 55 to 60 in your kingdom's timeline. Initially, you can capture up to 3 pets, and future updates may allow more. Each pet can be tamed and fed up to twice daily using pet food, which boosts their stats and abilities. Generation 1 pets includes Grey Wolf, Bison, and Lynx, while Generation 2 features Cheetah and Moose. Free-to-play players can start with Grey Wolf and Bison, leaving them to gain daily stamina for pet adventures. Spenders may prioritize pets like Moose for its HP reducing skill, followed by Grey Wolf, Bison, Cheetah, and Lynx. You can also refine pets using tame marks to boost stats for infantry, cavalry, and archers, with rarity tiers from Grey to Gold offering progressively better enhancement. Overall, prioritize upgrading your town center, keep your server active, and feed and refine your pets regularly to maximize their potential and Kingshot. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.